So, you have this, no, desires, lust, sex, no? So, merong ganito rito. So, what else? God made you see the truth, no? So, nandito si God, no? So, nang himasok na si God rito, no? Si universe sa inyong relationship, no? With this, no? So, okay, no? May domestic violence rin dito, mga earth sign. So, I mean, Taurus, no? So, and of course, have faith in God daw, no? Sabi ni God sa'yo, no? Maybe nawawalan kayo ng pag-asa, no? Parents new, no? So, sino ito, right? No? Tignan natin, what else? Irresponsible obligation. So, yeah, no? So, may nakikita na tayong istorya dito or I mean scenario dito ng mga Taurus natin. So, maybe some of you Taurus, no, you are dealing or you are this, no, I mean, no? So, again, no, pwedeng vice versa to mga Taurus natin. So, yeah, ang what I see here, no, kung you are, I think some of you Taurus are married to this person or I mean married kayo ng tao na ito and for some of you naman, for some of the Taurus naman ay live-in partner, no? Kasi nga ay nandito yung parents no? So parents nyo no? There is something going on, no? So ang mga parents, kung sino man yung parents dito na may parents sa inyo, ay alam yung nangyayari, no? Something like that, no? So, meron dito, siguro, I think ay nag-start ang relationship ninyo ng very fast, no? Something like that, no? So, walang deep connection na nangyari. I mean, walang magandang foundation, no? Something like that, no? So, parang biglaan nagsama kayo, nagpakasal kayo for some of you nang hindi nyo pa nakikilala ang isa't isa, no, mga Taurus natin. So, nagkaroon dito ng ng desires no. So, kumbaga parang more on sex-based kayo ng person na ito, no, from the start pa lang, no, kumbaga doon kayo nagkaroon ng attraction, no. Hindi yung parang nagligawan, something like that, no. So, ayun ang nakikita ko rito, nag-start agad kayo sa isang, I mean, sex-based talaga, no, last desires, something like that, no. So again, no, walang solid foundation, no. So, agad-agad, kumbaga, in an instant, naging kayo agad, no, something like that, no. So, and then, as the day pass, no, so hanggang sa tumatagal ang inyong relasyon, ayun, ay nalalaman mo na yung mga